Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Click Digest, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for you. This is the India retail unit, and the price mentioned here on the box is 79,000 rupees, and this is the prism white color that we have got. And I'm gonna show you quickly what all you get with this phone. I'll quickly run you through the specifications and give you my first impressions. And before I open the box, let me show you the key features mentioned on the box. It has a 6.4-inch full Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has a 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel rear cameras, and on the front it has a 10 plus 8 megapixel dual camera. It also has a ultrasonic under display fingerprint scanner. It comes with 128 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, and it has stereo speakers, earphones by AKG, wireless power share, wireless charging, IP68, water and dust resistance, and also it comes with Knox, which is the security platform of Samsung, which is military grade. And this is the first thing in the box, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with the triple rear camera setup. This is how the prism white looks. It's quite reflective and shiny. The back is white and the sides are chrome finished, and this is the front, and this circle signifies the fingerprint scanner location. Let me remove the plastics, and this is how the display looks. And this is the cutout for camera on the front, and it is within the display. The power key is right up there on the right hand side of the phone. I'll just turn it on and leave it for a moment, and let me show you what else is in the box. This is the India retail unit, so these are the accessories that you are gonna get with the Indian phone. This is an adaptive fast charger that has been included. Then there is this adapter for transferring your data from the old phone. Apart from that, there are a few more things in the box, so let me show you that. This one is the data cable as well as charging cable. This is a type A to type C USB cable. And then there are the earphones. These are AKG tuned premium earphones. They look similar to what we have seen in the Galaxy S9 as well. In fact, quite similar. And you get extra pair of ear tips here. There is this small box which has a SIM removal tool, and opening it further, you get a back case, which is a hard back case, almost hard. It's transparent, and then you get some documentation here. And that's pretty much it in the box. Let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. And this here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. As you can see, it comes with dual front-facing cameras. The S10 comes with single front-facing camera, and on the rear it has 3 cameras. The display is almost from edge to edge, and the sides are curved. Let me quickly set this up and show you some more about the software interface. And we are back after quickly setting up the phone, and the first impressions are that the icons are really large. The phone looks quite different from other Samsung phones. This is the improved UI that they have, the new Samsung UI, which has debuted on the Samsung Galaxy S10 only. And if I show you about phone here, you can see that this is the One UI 1.1 based on Android 9. Now let me give you a quick camera sample here. So first I'm gonna take a selfie, and now let me show you some of the magic of the rear camera here. I don't have much objects to click, so let's click this box. As you can see, it has different modes. So this is the wide, this is the normal, and this is the telephoto, and I've taken one picture each. So this is the wide mode, which has a lot of information. As you can see, the clarity looks good. This is the telephoto, and this is the normal. You can see the detailing in the image, it's quite crisp. And here in the wide mode as well, it is taking good amount of information. So the triple rear camera here works, and it has video mode, super slow motion, hyperlapse. So plenty of modes provided here, including food, panorama, pro, live focus, etc. And on the front, the dual camera would definitely enable good live focus this time. So let me switch to the front facing camera. And now let me show you the selfies. This is the live focus selfie, which has a good amount of background blur, and this is the normal selfie without the blur. And as you can see, it has a good amount of detailing with the 10 and 8 megapixel front facing cameras. It's doing a good job. The phone seems quite responsive, and we reserve our judgment for the full review. It does look good, the display does look nice, and the phone does look quite fine in terms of build quality, construction and design. It is an incremental update over the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And before I wrap up this video, let me quickly open up the SIM card tray and show you the SIM configuration here. This is the India retail unit. So this is how it is gonna be. There is only one tray here on top, and this is a dual SIM hybrid tray, so you can either put two SIM cards or one SIM and one memory card. So it is up to you. It has 128 gigs of internal storage which has been provided. Talking of the ports, you have the charging port, which is type C, speaker, microphone and 3.5 mm audio jack, which is still present. On the right hand side is the power wake up key. On top is the secondary mic, SIM card tray, and on this side is the volume rocker as well as a dedicated Bixby key, which may be a deal breaker for some, but there is a Bixby key that has been provided here. And this is the display, and this is how the under display fingerprint scanner works. It says no match. I have to press harder maybe. Yeah, it opens up. Maybe it will take some time for me to get used to it, but yes, it does work. It does work, maybe on second, third attempt, but I'll tell you more in the detailed review. This is just a quick unboxing and first impressions, and I really like what I see here in terms of design. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. If you want to pick up one for yourself, you can go ahead and get one. This is all we have in this video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.